The major sites of the FitzGerald Academy include St. Michael's Hospital and St. Joseph's Health Center. But in addition to that, we are fortunate enough to draw on the institutions that are allied with the University of Toronto, which would include Sick Kids, which is a quaternary pediatric hospital, and CAMH, which is a specialized psychiatric hospital. And I'd also like to mention that we have a very robust network of family practices that are affiliated with St. Michael's Hospital, which I think also makes this site unique in that there's so many ties into the community that are very robust and enduring. We really have a range of interesting clinical problems that present and opportunities to help people who are coming to Canada who are newly arrived. And we have all kinds of different types of patients and clinical things that present as a result of the patient populations that we serve.
You really learn how to care for patients who are new to Canada and maybe have English as a barrier to communication, or patients who live on the street and how that affects how you're going to care for them. So we really do get exposed to every kind of person, and it's really great because it teaches you how important social determinants of health are.
It allows us to understand culture, it allows us to appreciate diversity and really incorporate that into our future practice.
The institutions that are part of the FitzGerald Academy are fully supportive of the students, and they see this as a major part of their identity, providing clinical education, not just for medical students, but also for all types of students, nursing and health disciplines. And we've really created a community of learners.
What really stands out for me is that the physicians care about medical education, and they're teaching because they like teaching.
They're expert clinicians, and I also think they're expert teachers. They're constantly looking to improve and renovate the way that they provide material to students in a way that will meet their needs, and they really take pleasure and are excited by watching them progress and evolve.
They allow us to do observerships, they allow us to do research opportunities, and they really encourage us to become a more active member of the community.
If you're interested in research, there's lots of ways you can get involved at the FitzGerald Academy.
A lot of the research opportunities are fully informed by clinical experiences. Some of the very foundational research, which has been done on clinical nutrition by Dr. David Jenkins, is done here at St. Michael's Hospital and done with full assistance and help from many, many medical students over the years. And so that's certainly an opportunity that many medical students have enjoyed. In addition, there's a robust clinical connection to research related to concussion and head trauma. And again, this is an area that many medical students have been able to contribute to. St. Michael's Hospital is also committed to research in inner city health, and we're really taking this sort of very tight loop of thinking about the clinical problems that are presented to us and how we can provide better care, and how we can do that in a way that would be generalizable and helpful to other communities. And so there's certainly a lot of research opportunities around issues of inner city populations that students could get involved with. In addition to that, of course, we have a beautiful building that was built in 2009, which has a commitment to provide opportunities for both research and education to the community. And as a result, there are lots of labs that are working on more basic science questions as well, all with downstream clinical relevance, but maybe not as tightly linked as some of the clinical opportunities that many students have been participating in the past. This is an urban academy, and what I mean by that is that we're located both in the downtown core and also in a very urban part of the western part of the city with St. Joe's, which is our sister institution.
We're a smaller academy, so from the beginning you get to know all of the other students in the academy.
I think Fitz has a really unique spirit. We're all very actively involved in different community development projects. We're really involved in the academy tournaments that we have. We're really empowered as to what we are as we're Fitz students, and I think that that's fantastic.